So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money to your PayPal account here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to this bottom bar and select the cash out icon. Once you're on this screen right here, you can go ahead and check your balance and see if you're able to withdraw that. Now, in my case, I actually can't, but let's say hypothetically you have $25 and you want to cash out and you want to turn that into your PayPal account money. Simply scroll down to where it says PayPal right here. Now, there's a bunch of different options, and if the whole bar is highlighted green, it means that you have the right amounts to go ahead and actually make that withdraw. So, withdraw, you can go ahead and select a bunch of different ones you want to do, but for example, if you wanted $5 USD, go ahead and press on withdraw now. And this prompt comes up for me, but if you had enough and you're able to go, you can then proceed this way to exchange or I guess withdraw your money from your account and put that into your PayPal account. Obviously, too, in this case, US dollars. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to withdraw money to your PayPal account here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.